This here generates a list of squares from 1 to 10. You can read it as x to the power of 2 for x in range 1, 11. That means it will square every x between 1 and 10 and it will put them in a list. You can easily calculate factorials in Python in just one line using the reduce function and lambda functions. The reduce function combines numbers in a list and lambda x, y, colon x multiplied by y multiplies them, calculating 5 factorial, that is 120. It saves you from writing a for loop or a while loop, and it is ideal for reducing a collection to a single value. We can also use lambda functions to sort a list of tuples. Here, lambda x colon x1 tells sorted to sort a list of tuples by the second item in each tuple. If we wanted to sort by the first item, we could have done x0. Lambdas are great for quick inline functionality without needing to define a separate function. We can quickly combine two dictionaries in Python by doing this. This spreads the key value pairs from both dictionaries into a single merged one. It's a modern and clean way to combine data without using loops or update. You can also create dictionaries in one line by combining two lists. This expression here pairs each key with its corresponding value, producing a dictionary. This is similar to List Comprehensions and allows you to transform data into a dictionary efficiently.